because this video is not for you. The reason I'm doing this is so that, you know, the truth is out there and, you know, my voice is heard, and I raise awareness and hope that, you know, it can help one person even that's going through similar or worse. You know, it is a very painful story to tell, because this is about somebody who I once cared about, you know, who I once loved, and who, you know, I thought was actually going to protect me and not harm me. That same day, you know, that this happened, I went through verbal, emotional and physical abuse by him. So that night I literally cried myself to sleep and just literally fell deep asleep. He came home that same night and he basically raped me, and I woke up in the middle of the night in so much pain, you know, down below, and feeling bruised. I went to the toilet with blood, you know, down there, and I had a shock. I cried and cried that whole night. And the next morning, when I tried to comfort him, I felt sick. I couldn't even get it out. But when I actually tried to comfort him, he denied and tried to make me look like I was crazy. And that basically, I was losing my mind. Got aggressive each time I've asked him. And then, you know, a couple of years down the line, like 2 years ago, I've seen him face to face, and he finally admitted to my face. You know, I comforted him and asked him, like, why did you do the things you've done? Hey guys,